Hello everyone, I'm back again with my Human Rights and Values lecture series. Today is our 17th lecture of HRV. Now let me just give a brief introduction about myself. My name is Rashmi Mangla. I'm working as an assistant professor for the BBA department of St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management. The subject that I take up here is Human Rights and Values. Now we'll be starting with Unit 4 today. The topics that we'll be covering for today are, we'll be learning about concept of human values in education in this unit, and today we'll be covering human values and nature of values. So let's begin. Now when we talk about values, what comes to our mind? Values means the basic things with which we learn how we have to behave, how we have to express ourselves. So all these things, they are a part of our values. Whatever morals we have got, whatever things we've learned from our families, from our teachers, and whatever the basics which have been instincted in us, whatever morals we have been given, they all form a part of the values. Like we have learned from the very from childhood that we should respect our elders, we should have affection towards others, we should always speak the truth, then we should always be helpful toward others. So what are these all are our values which have been which are our parents, they have given to us. And the way a person behaves or the way a person expresses him or herself, they all depict the values those are instincted in the person. Let's see them. Basic human values refer to those values which are at the core of being human. So see, the basic values which make you a human being. What is the difference between you and a robot? What is the difference? That you have emotions and the robots, they do not have emotions. So now these emotions, like you have an emotion of love, you have an emotion of care, you have an emotion of anger, emotion of sorrow, emotion of hatred. So all these emotions, they all are connected to the values. All these things are connected to values. So these are the very core of being human. If we are a human, then we are having certain values. The values which are considered basic inherent values in humans include, now basic inherent values, basic values which are always there in us are truth, honesty, loyalty, love, peace, etc. because they bring out the fundamental goodness of human beings and society at large. See, these are the basic values which bring about the goodness of human beings. If somebody is very honest, you create a mindset कि ये आदमी बहुत अच्छा है. If somebody is very truthful, you automatically create a mindset that yes, he is a very good person. How do you get that mindset? How do you know कि वो अच्छा है? Because these values have been they have been instincted in you. These values have been given to you from the childhood कि सच बोलना अच्छी बात है, आपको ये चीज पता है, and that is why you know कि the person who is speaking the truth, he is a good person. So these values, they are the basic, they are basic inherent within the human beings, and they are the core of being a human. Now human values convey a positive and effective surge which reinforces the rationale of moral values. Basically, surge means a sudden rise in something. So what these values do is they convey a positive effect they have, and they have an effective source. They affect the humans immediately, and they reinforce the rationale of moral values. Then they are the values that permit us to live together in harmony and personally contribute to peace. So these human values, these are the values which allow us, जो हमें permit करती है कि हम एक साथ रहें harmony में, and we personally contribute to peace, कि everyone should have contribution कि वो peacefully रहे एक specific environment में. Alright, so these values, they are basically our guiding principles of our lives. They guide us and they are essential for a positive human behavior and the actions that we'll have in our daily lives. Whatever actions we do, whatever way we behave, whatever way we deal with persons, they all are because of the values that we have. Then let's see further. Now, values are basic and fundamental beliefs that guide or motivate attitudes or actions. These are the basic and fundamental beliefs that guide, they guide us in correct direction. See, sometimes it happens. When you're giving an exam, you feel that, chalo, let's just, if you've not learned something, you feel, chalo, let's cheat. But then at one point of time, you know that yes, cheating is not correct. So how do you know that cheating is not correct? How do you know that's unethical? How do you know that? Because these things have been taught to you from the very childhood. Yes, cheating is wrong. You have to study yourself. You have to hard work. These things have been told to you from from your childhood. So values are the fundamental beliefs that guide us, that what is right and what is wrong, or motivate attitudes, that motivate our attitude and actions. What we have to do, what we don't have to do. How do we get to know it? From our values that we have, isn't it? They help us to determine what is important to us. They help us to find out कि हमारे लिए क्या ज़रूरी है. If you know your exams are coming, it's just 1 day is left for your exam, and your friend is calling, let's go for a movie. So it is your conscience that tells you that no, मैंने नहीं पढ़ा है, so I will not go for the movie. Is it? Now that's a personal choice. If you go, that I won't contradict that. But yes, I'm just telling you an example that it helps us to determine that what is important to us. हमारे लिए ज़रूरी क्या है? If you feel that you have not studied and for you sitting back at home today and studying is important, so you will do that. How do you know? Because you have those values ki yes, my parents are investing money on me, they are wasting money, I have to study, I have to focus on my studies too. So they help us to determine that what is important to us. Values describe the personal qualities we choose to embody to guide our actions. They describe our personal qualities. हमारी जो पर्सनल क्वालिटीज हैं विच वी चूज दैट दे शुड बी विद इन अस, विच गाइड आवर एक्शंस, द सॉर्ट ऑफ पर्सन वी वांट टू बी, द मैनर इन विच वी ट्रीट आवरसेल्फ एंड अदर्स, एंड आवर इंटरेक्शन विद द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस. सी बेसिकली वैल्यूज क्या है? हमारी पर्सनल क्वालिटीज हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज वन पर्सन हु स्पीक्स वेरी पोलाइटली विद एवरीबडी, हु इज वेरी who shows respect to elders and who is very calm and obedient. And there is another person who is very rude to others, who always speaks in a very bad manner, who's disrespecting others. So these are the personal qualities. Value might be different for me and might be different for you as well. आपके लिए जो आप कर रहे हैं that is correct, that is as per your values. For me, what I am doing, that is correct for me. So values differ from a person to person. They describe the personal qualities that we choose to embody. जो हम choose करते हैं कि हम उन values के according काम करेंगे to guide our actions. If I want that I have to be very polite with all of you, तो मैं politely बात करूँगी. If there is somebody else who wants to be rude with you people, so they will talk to you rudely. So that is dependent on one's personal choice, that how we want to guide our actions. Secondly, the sort of person we want to be, हम कैसा बनना चाहते हैं, that is also dependent upon our values. Then the manner in which we treat ourselves and others, हम जिस तरीके से खुद को treat करते हैं and the way we treat others also, that is also dependent upon values. हम दूसरों से अच्छे से बात करते हैं, we talk to them politely, we respect our elders, we help the younger ones, we help the poor and needy. तो ये चीज़ें that depends from person to person. Somebody might be doing it, somebody might not be doing it. So it is our personal choice that how we treat others and how we treat ourselves. And last one, and our interaction with the world around us. हम हमारे आसपास जो लोग हैं हम उनसे कैसे interact करते हैं, that is also dependent upon values. upon the qualities that we have because of the values that have been given to us. There is one person who might be, who might be very bubbly, who's, going around and talking to everyone, who's a very friendly kind of, and there is another person who's very quiet and who just sits in one corner and doesn't interact much. So the way we interact with the people around us, they all are also a part of our personal qualities that we have, which we get with the help of the values that we have been given. So basically, values, they provide the general guidelines for conduct. The way we, now here conduct means the code of conduct. Basically, how we behave with others, how we behave with ourselves, how we talk to others, which kind of qualities we have. All these things are basically dependent upon values, and these values are the general guidelines. Alright. So let's see the definition of values. I hope the concept of values is, pretty clear now. Let's see a specific definition. Although, value of definition, that's, it's multidirectional, because value is something like it's different for every person. But still a specific definition has been given to us just from the subjective point of view. Let's see it. According to International Encyclopedia of Social Sciences 1972, value is defined as a set of principles whereby conduct is directed and regulated as a guide for individuals and social group. See, value is a set of principles. एक set of principles जहाँ से हमारा code of conduct कि हमें कैसे behave करना है, how we have to live, it is directed. Value से ही हम direct करते हैं how we have to behave, what kind of person we are, and regulated. Our behavior is also regulated as a guide for individuals. एक individual के लिए भी वो guide है, and for a whole group also, values work as a guide through which they regulate and direct a person of his nature, of his conduct. So these are what we have learned all about values. This is the basic, okay? Now we'll be learning the nature of values. Now see, from the definition itself, we have seen quite a lot of things. So we'll see the nature of values now. Now values are concepts. As we see, values are what? They are concepts. There is no specific definition for it. They are the concepts which differ from one person to other. किसी एक के लिए whatever he is doing, that is his values. For the other person, maybe the other one is wrong also, but for उसकी values है, and for him he is correct. So they are concepts. Then values are expressed feelings, but they are more than feelings. Yes, see, values are expressed feelings. The way we express ourselves, the way we feel, the way we express ourselves in front of others, they all are dependent upon values only. So they are more than feelings. Feelings is just a way of expression, but value is the basic perspective behind it. कि हम जिस तरीके से अपने आप को express करते हैं, हम क्यों करते हैं? Because we have certain values. If you are a person who doesn't speak lie at all, आप झूठ नहीं बोलते, तो क्यों नहीं बोलते? Because आपको बचपन से सिखाया जाता है that you always have to speak the truth. Speaking lie is not good. So that is so a feeling. Value is a much wider concept as compared to the feeling. They are more than feelings. Alright. Then values exist in the mind and are independent of public affirmation. Now values are something that exist in the mind. They are in everybody's mind. हम कुछ भी काम करने जाते हैं, we think twice. Whatever we are doing, we think कि हमें करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, and then we have those, एक side में yes we should do, and the other side no we should know. The devil and the Eve, those kind of things. So value exists in the mind. They are in the mind and they are independent of public affirmation. कि public क्या कहती है, that doesn't matter. Our values are independent. हमें जो करना है, that depends on our personal decision. That is independent of public affirmation. Even if the public is saying no, and if you feel कि आपको कुछ काम करना है, so you will do it. Those are your values. Because your brain is allowing you to do. So they are independent of public affirmation. कि लोग आपको affirmation दे, they allow you, they support you or not, but your values are there in your mind and you behave accordingly. Then values are absolute, but they are dimensional. See, they are absolute, but they are dimensional. They have different dimensions. As I told you, values are different. For some person, what if he is speaking lie, उसके लिए वो चीज़ ठीक है. For the other one, अगर वो सच बोल रहा है उसके लिए वो ठीक है, and जो झूठ बोल रहा है वो गलत है. So they are it has different dimensions. Value might be one thing for one and the other thing for the other person. So they differ from person to person. Although they are absolute, yes, values are the set of rules or the set of guidelines with which, according to which we express ourselves. That is okay. But हम actually में जैसे express करते हैं वो differ करता है on the basis of the values that we have. So that is, values are a criteria for judging the degree of goodness or badness. Value का है, it is a criteria जिससे हम judge करते हैं that a person might be good or bad, a person might be right or wrong. So values are the things which help us in judging. If somebody has committed a murder, is it correct or not? It's not. How do you know that? क्योंकि आपको पता है that we do not have the right to take anybody's life. If we are harming others, then that is a wrong act. वो सही नहीं है. We are not allowed to harm others. So all these things, they are taught to us from the from childhood itself. And these values, they do not come as at a sudden. आप एकदम से नहीं सीखते हैं. Gradually, as and when you grow up, these values, they automatically get we just get to learn them by seeing from our surroundings, from our families, from our friends, from our school. So we learn these values from different people. Then values are concepts heavily weighted with emotions and influence the child's selection from variable modes, means and ends of action. Now they are concepts which are heavily weighted with emotions. Values, as I told you, the way we express ourselves, that is dependent upon values. So values are weighted with emotions. हमारे emotions हमारी values के साथ connected होते हैं. And they influence the child's selection from variable modes, means and ends of action. The way a child acts, the way a child selects things, the way a child does things, वो सब किस पे dependent होता है? All those things are influenced by what? By the values. As I told you, whatever thing you are going to do, if you are hiding something from your parents, so you have that thing in mind, no, this is wrong. I have, you should never hide anything from your parents. So these kind of values, from the very childhood, our parents tell us that yes, we are your best friends, you have to share everything from us. So we have that thing, whatever happens, whatever problem I am in, I will share it with my parents. So what are those? These are your values. And you are emotionally connected with those values because your emotions are attached. And the way a child, the way a child behaves, the way a child acts, those all things are influenced by the values. Then, values are primarily ethical, social and subjective. Therefore, there are strong dispositions of human behavior that concepts with less heavy emotional weightage. Now see, they are primarily ethical, social and subjective. Now, ethical means, ethics, what is right, choosing over what is right and what is wrong. How do we get to know it? Because of values. They are social. How do we behave in our community? How do we deal with ourselves and others? How is it dependent? It is dependent upon values. And now it's subjective also. Why subjective? Because, whatever concepts, as we learn, values are concepts. So because they are concepts, so they are of subjective nature also. So therefore, they are strong disposition. Disposition means the way human acts, the way human dispositions of human behavior, the way human is showing up himself. That is disposition of human behavior. So they are the strong dispositions of human behavior than concepts with less heavy emotional weightage. So values are the major thing with which you can describe a person. जिससे आप किसी भी ह्यूमन के बिहेवियर को जज कर सकते हो. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द वैल्यूज. देन values are based on respect for human dignity. They assume that personal integrity is the nucleus around which ethical community and global stewardship resolve. See, values are based on human dignity. we all have a right to live with dignity, and values are based on our dignity. We have certain self-respect. We have, we have respect for others too, and we have certain self-respect. That is what human dignity is. So they are dependent upon human dignity, and they assume that personal integrity is the nucleus. Now, personal integrity means basically, see, integrity means to act along with values, and personal integrity means, it's kind of a quality of being truthful and honest with yourself and with others. So they assume that personal integrity is the nucleus, is the nucleus which ethical community and global stewardship resolve. Basically, हमें पूरी community में जैसे रहना है, and the way globally we have to, be united. That all is dependent upon personal integrity, and personal integrity is quality of being truthful. That we have to be honest, we have to be truthful, we have to live in peace and harmony along with others. That is the basic nucleus. As you know, nucleus is what? This, in a cell, nucleus is the center from where the cell gains the, all the operations are controlled by the nucleus within a cell. So similarly, in order to have a proper, peace and harmony in the whole community on a global level, personal integrity is the nucleus. That is the most important thing, जिसके around पूरा ethical community and global stewardship resolves, जिसके around ये सारी चीजें revolve करती हैं. Basically, they all are dependent upon personal integrity. Then, values are the very essence of human life. As I told you in the very beginning, they are the core of being human. We are humans. How can we be distinguished from robots? Because we have emotions, we have values. So these are the very essence. ये बहुत important चीज़ है of being a human being. Then, values are essential for a fair and equitable community which reflects our respect as well as responsibility for the global environment. Now see, these are essentially ज़रूरी है किसके लिए? For a fair and equitable community. एक fair and equitable where everybody is treated equally, ऐसी community होने के लिए values ज़रूरी है, which reflect our respect as well as responsibility. Our respect, that we are respecting the global environment, the environment around all over the world. We are respecting it globally, and we are even responsible. See, if the our environment is being degraded, क्यों हो रहा है? We are, a lot of global warming is there, ozone layer is being depleted. सारी चीजें क्यों हो रही है? Are you individually responsible? Being a part of the being a part of the earth. So we all are globally responsible. अगर environment degrade हो रहा है, अगर ozone layer deplete हो रही है, तो हम सब equally responsible है. We all are responsible globally. So similarly, values are essential. वो ज़रूरी है ताकि हमारी community जो है वो fair and equitable रहे, and we can reflect our respect. हम अपनी respect and अपनी responsibility दिखाएं over a global environment. Then, last one. Values are cross-cultural and are essential for the development of community and global citizenship. See, values are cross-cultural. That is, they are not in any one specific culture. They are cross-cultural. That is, a person is of any culture, any religion, so they have their values. And those values, it's not necessary that they might be same, but yes, there are some which is the basics, like being truthful, being affectionate, being caring. These are the basic values which everybody has. And then we have some cultural instincts also which differ from culture to culture. So values are cross-cultural and are essential for the development of community and global citizenship. So these values are very much essential, are very much important in order to develop our community and to develop the global citizenship. To grow as a citizen, values are of utmost important. Values होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Alright? So these are the basics of values that we've studied today. That's all for today. Let's see the questions based on today's concept. And we'll be studying about types of values in our next lecture. What do you understand by values and explain their nature. Stay tuned for the upcoming lectures, children. Thank you.